So we're going to try and figure out what they might be doing over there.
Why don't we ask them what they're building?
What did you say, Lucas?
Why don't we ask them what they're building?
Well, we might be able to do that. We would have to be very safe with our bodies, though.
But they're concentrating.
Who's concentrating?
They're busy. There's some that aren't doing anything. There's some that are just standing there.
Some who are just standing there? Do you mean some workers?
Yeah, that are just standing there.
I think you're right.
Hello. Hello. I know what they're doing.
You do? What's your idea of what they're doing?
I think they're covering all the snow so in case coast crashing, they don't get wet and bright. I have an idea.
I'm not sure I understood all of that because it's kind of noisy with cars.
They're building a park.
Your idea?
They're building a new sidewalk. Yeah, that's it.
Maybe we should write them a note and to find out what they're making.
But then we'll have to walk across there and give it to them.
We would have to walk across there and give it to them.
Because they don't have a mailbox. But up in this it's got.
No, they don't have a mailbox right here. You're right.
They have a mailbox over there.
There is a mailbox over there, yes.
Well, how would they get it? They won't know that we give it to them. And also there's some mailboxes.
So what's your question, Timmy?
What's their name? Hey! Hi! Hi! Hi!
He waved at us. All right, friends.
Why don't we yell